Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to get back deleted passwords app in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to get back deleted passwords app, then simply swipe left and open app library. And here you can see your password app. If you want to add your password app on your home screen, then simply press and hold on your password app and then swipe right, and here you can add your password app on your home screen. Here you can see your password app will be added on your home screen. If your password app will be deleted by chance, then open App Store and here you can search passwords and here you can re-download your password app. So this is the way to get back deleted passwords app in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.